Hi guys, here 4 square is 16 divided by 2 plus 6 times this is 3 plus 1 is 4. Here 16 divided by 2 is 8 plus 6 times this 4. Here 8 plus 6 is 14 times this 4. Here 14 times 4 is 56 is the wrong answer. As per this order of operation, this 56 is the wrong answer. Here, we are going to introduce that PEMDAS rule from order of operation. Here, this is a bracket which is very high priority. This is exponent. M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Here, multiplication divisions are equal priority. Also, this addition subtractions are equal priority. For this equal priority, we are going to introduce that left to right in the problem. Now, we are going to solve this problem in correct way by using this order of operation PEMDAS. Here, as per this PEMDAS rule, this bracket is higher priority. So, we have to do this bracket before any other operation. Here, 4 square divided by 2 plus 6 times the bracket is 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1 is 4. Here the next priority is exponent. We have exponent which is 4 power 2. 4 power 2 is 16 divided by 2 plus 6 times 4. Here we have division, addition and multiplications. Here division and multiplications are higher priority than this addition. So we have to do this division before this addition. So 16 divided by 2 is 8 plus 6 times this 4. Here we have addition and multiplication. Multiplication is higher priority than this addition. So we have to do this multiplication before this addition. So 8 plus 6 times 4 is 24. Now 8 plus 24 is 32 is the correct answer.